Hello, today I'm printing off this 1-up mushroom from Super Mario. This mushroom will give you an extra life. It's green and white with a black outline. This print was requested by Scoot1512 Gaming, as you can see right there. Hope you enjoyed the time lapse. Okay, this print was in two parts, the black and green, which was dual printed, and I got the white inserts, which you'll see right about now. I am just taking it off the raft and just peeling it away and just slotting them in. I had to super glue them on because they were too loose or too tight, which was weird. Anyway, I've got a special video coming up soon, so make sure to subscribe so you can see it. Okay, as you can see right now I'm just slotting them in. So this is a 3-tone 3D print, which is actually my first. See it, I'm just slotting them in and super gluing them. Okay, I'm nearly done, slotting them all in. I've got super glue everywhere because I'm a dumpty. And at the end of the video, you'll see a finished product. Ba-ding! Extra life! Yay! So make sure to subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching.